That sounds epic. Oh my God. How are we doing, Tony?
All right, mate. How's it going?
Nice to meet you.
And you, mate?
Welcome to LivingLifeFast. Thanks for coming down.
No worries, mate.
BMW M4. I used to own one of these. Do you ever see my one?
Yeah.
So, got some electric cars going off it, guys. Guys, I'm not having it, are they? So, Tony, what have you done to the car? This one's quite special, isn't it? I'm really interested to see what this is like. So, you've gone single turbo, right?
Yeah, big single. Yeah, I had loads of problems with the twins. So, rather than going there again, I just went for a single. Yeah.
So, when you say you have problems with the twins, you mean there was a fault with
two sets of failures? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
right.
on the stage 3, 2 sets.
Okay. Stock BMW turbos? Or?
No, the hybrids.
Oh, you went hybrids?
Yeah, hybrids.
What hybrids you go?
Turbodynamics.
Okay.
Just had a problem. The first set failed after 300 miles.
Okay.
Another set on there, 500 miles, it failed again.
Wow.
And then I thought, I'm just going to go single.
Right.
That wasn't my plan anyway, to do that at some point. And it just kind of brought it all forward.
So is it a big job to go single?
Massive job. As you can see, big single down in there.
Yeah. And you say it's a G35 900,
G35
yeah?
900, yeah.
Okay.
So completely modify, charge pipes,
Yeah.
single downpipe, external wastegate.
So these custom built for your car only,
Yeah, all custom built. Yeah, the whole thing, the whole job has been custom built, and it's the first one bottom mount in the UK.
Is it 2JZ style now?
Yeah,
Or?
it sounds nothing like an M4.
Right.
Nothing like an M4.
Yeah. And what's power delivery like then?
Quite aggressive.
Yeah.
It's only on low boost at the minute, so it's running 23 psi at the minute. Low boost. And it's pretty aggressive.
Yeah. And is the engine completely stock?
Stock, yeah, completely stock engine at
Done
the minute.
Crankshaft? Not the crankshaft. The what is it? The
Crank hub.
That's
been done.
It's been done, yeah.
Yeah, it's the insane performance one.
Okay.
That come from DWP Performance. That was done a long time ago before the single turbo was done. I didn't want to go down the pure route because everyone does that.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you want to be different, yeah.
Yeah, it'd be different, and just otherwise it'd be just another M4 with pure turbo.
No, 100%. What about tuning?
We're still in the process of doing that now.
Okay.
I'm a month in at the minute. I'm on my last revision for the methanol.
And just to clarify, it's Jordan, isn't it, in America?
Kerry Jordan, yeah.
Kerry Jordan, yeah. One of the best in America, isn't it?
The best in the world.
Complete custom
for
tuning.
the S55, yeah. So we're done with the charge pipe meth. It's also got the direct port,
right?
Which we're now starting the revisions for that.
None of these cars run direct port,
None
either,
of them.
did they?
Again, this was probably the first in the UK to have the direct port.
So you can turn boost up again once you've got it all
to about 27, 28 psi.
So what would you estimate horsepower to be as it is now?
It's about 650 wheel.
650 wheel
on 23 psi. With the charge pipe meth, it's going to be up to about 27, 28 psi. 750 plus.
Wow.
Potentially 800.
You say you got a screamer on it as well?
Yeah. I'm not sure if I like it, if I'm being honest.
No.
I'm not sure. It sounds like a Skyline.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I like it, but
no wrong with Skyline.
No, not at all. But it's just I don't think these should sound like that, like it does.
I get you.
But it's interesting.
So does it not sound like an M4 anymore? Would you
No.
say it don't?
No.
Oh mate, I can't wait.
Nothing like an M4.
So you got the ram air induction.
Yeah, ram air induction.
Stock charge cooler.
Stock charge cooler at the minute.
Pipes.
At the minute, yeah. It's just I need to see where it's going to end up, you know.
So exhaust work, anything done? Downpipes?
Yeah, single downpipe, full stainless right through.
Right.
So sort of single mid pipe right through, and then it's. I kept the original back box. I wanted that to look still. I wanted it to look original as possible.
Yeah.
I didn't want it too far off the original look, you know.
It's not Phoenix yellow, is it? What do they call it again? Austin yellow. That's it. Yeah.
So this is the old Phoenix Gold.
Right.
But they just changed the name for the newer cars. The original suspension, other than the springs. So I've got the eye-back.
Yeah,
lowering springs on there.
So what's it like with putting this power down?
Terrible.
Terrible, yeah. And you've got Michelin
PS4s,
and they're still bad, yeah.
Yeah.
Brakes wise, you say you've gone. What was it?
Got the EBC twin rotor.
Okay.
with the blue race front pads,
Okay.
braided hoses, and on the rear got the yellow pads in the rear with the braided hoses in the back.
So you obviously know what the stock turbos were like with the twin turbos.
It's a bit more progressive than the twin turbos.
Okay.
But when it comes in a lot harder.
Brakes, traction, more.
Yeah,
or?
yeah, a lot easier.
Yeah.
A lot easier.
And you are dual clutch transmission, right?
Yeah.
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 Okay. Well, this can be interesting. Should we jump out then? Take a spin.
Go, yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
Let's do it. So how long do you actually own this M4?
About over a year. It's the longest I've ever kept a car.
You plan to still keep it?
Yeah. I won't never sell this car, mate.
Yeah. That's crazy hearing that at the front. Oh jeez. That sounds nuts. Oh shit. Does that just break traction?
It's third gear.
Bloody hell.
Crazy.
Yeah, just did that for fun, didn't it? If you used to put a blindfold over me, I'd never know it was an M4.
That's what I meant.
Never. Mate, that whistle. No way. And was you saying that you're thinking about upgrading clutches at some point?
Yeah, the SP clutch, I'm going to need them. I've not got no problems. It grips
But
fine.
when you want to up the boost, obviously, it's gonna
Yeah.
potentially
I'm gonna
slip.
need them, yeah. I mean, I've got the GTS software on there in a minute. It
Yeah.
was the clamping pressure on the clutches.
Okay, got you.
So I've got no problems with clutches. Clutch slipping and all like that.
But these are talky though, aren't they?
Very,
Like,
this is ridiculous now.
yeah. Guys, the car just sounds ridiculous, man. No way. That sounds epic. Oh my god. That's just like you said, that is louder than the screamer, isn't it? Those are the sounds that I love, innit?
Yeah,
I
love
just think
the
it all
sound,
adds
don't
to
get
the
me wrong.
experience,
I
man.
do like the sound, but
Yeah.
it's just a bit too much all the
No,
time.
like you're saying, the volume of it's loud, isn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, completely japping it.
Completely jumping in an M4.
Yeah, that's nuts. So we've got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, is it? Or
Yeah, 4S, yeah.
and it's just braking traction like that.
Traction, fourth gear.
Is it boot mod as well? The software.
Yeah.
We're just following it around. But it's Jordan. Obviously, he uses that, yeah, to tune.
Yeah.
Yeah, because mine I think had a HCP. Wow, man, it's quick, isn't it? And it's on low boost. So what did you have before the M4?
435D.
Okay. What was that like, tuned up and that?
Yeah, 400 horsepower.
Yeah.
Before that, C63
Right.
at 507.
So yeah, it just works like normal, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Normal M4.
It does feel a bit nervous though, when you're on,
Right.
when you turn the boost up, it just changes the characteristics of the car. I'm on the limit of the tyres.
I know on some of the BMs, they come in progressively, like one comes in low end, one comes in at the top, so it's like a single.
It doesn't taper off, it just holds the power all the way to the limiter. It comes on boost about 3.6.
360, that's not bad.
It's on full boost about 4.5.
Yeah.
But it holds it all the way.
Take it right. This car is built here, but it's tuned by America.
Yeah, got an American.
So like, is that a headache? Like, obviously, I mean,
It is. It's
It
all
is,
done
yeah?
via emails, and you do it with a boot mod app. So the response sometimes isn't as quick as you'd like it.
Yeah.
But
Obviously, the hours are different as well, aren't they,
it's
over there?
7 hours behind everything.
Yeah.
It's in Texas.
Yeah. But it's
yeah,
possible though, isn't it? Like,
yeah, it is. But it's just, sometimes you want an instant reply and you don't get it.
yeah. But if you want the cream, you want the
That's
1010.
thing, and I've noticed it straight away. It's just it's so much better than before,
Mate, that aggressively comes off, doesn't it? That is sick. No way, that is sick. It's just going. We're in an M4. These are like notoriously known for one of the worst sounding cars. Like, it's just completely transformed it.
Just sounds totally different.
And it is, man. It's quick, isn't it? So you've had gearbox software. Obviously, you've only had iBrack springs, just tyre change. Stock competition wheels. So did you do no about ring on the single turbo?
No.
Okay. Stop.
Yeah. Stage 2.
Like, do your intake temps get hot? Like if you start pushing it? Or?
With a MEF.
Oh yeah, you run a MEF in
down
you.
to 73 Fahrenheit.
Okay.
And it was, without the meth, it was 89.
Yeah.
The second we put the meth on, went down to 73.
Okay.
Instantly went down.
Is that whilst you're on boost or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we were doing, the other day, we was out doing some vlogs.
Yeah.
And it was just getting colder and colder and colder. It wasn't getting hotter.
It's almost like we've got an auto box, isn't it, with that turbo?
Yeah.
It sounds like, you know, the Supras.
Yeah.
And when you hear the Supras with the auto boxes. Sounds like that. Sorry, I don't know if I've asked you. So who is the company that's been taking care of you now then?
What, tuning?
Yeah. Well, not
Or
tuning,
the build?
yeah.
So the guys that built it were Leadfoot Racing, Chris and Ed,
Right.
over in Salisbury. They do a lot of singles on the N54s and N55s. It's the first S55 they've done.
So are you back and forward on the phone to them, or are you sort of done?
No, we're done. No, we're done. It's got to go back. It's got to go back now for a oil change and just a check over, you know, nut and bolt it kind of thing. Yeah, so that's going back any time.
Oh, this is, mate. The throttle is so eager, isn't it?
Yeah. It's there,
Very
isn't it?
responsive.
Yeah. So it sounds different.
Mate, that power is nice, boy. Like I say, really smooth. Mate, I'm tapping the throttle. The turbo's nice, you know that. Yeah, the Mac is good as well. So if you took that screamer away, I wonder what it would sound like about it.
I think you'll hear a lot more of the turbo. So, and that's what I want.
It's a lot more immediate and responsive than my M4. My car was well laggy. It was about 4.5. My car used to come on.
Yeah.
I thought going single on these that would make them even laggier.
That's what I was a bit worried about. That's why I went for the 900.
Right.
If we'd have gone to 1050, I'd have had a bit more lag,
So
you
you
know.
was considering 1050, yeah?
Yeah, it was, yeah. But then you need a built engine for that, really.
Oh my god, that sounds epic. I need this sound, man. It's all about the drama, I think, with cars. It's not even about the performance.
Exactly,
like,
yeah.
For me, drinking so many on the channel, I've just got to the point where it's like, I just want the experience. I want to go home smiling.
Yeah.
And usually smiles come through, obviously, high performance cars. But I think if you've got these kind of sounds going on, and especially it being rear wheel drive, because if this was all wheel drive, you'd be flattening it out of every point, wouldn't you?
Exactly, yeah.
And you'd
Yeah.
really get used to it. And you'd be like, oh, just
Yeah.
one-handed, foot down.
Exactly.
Bloody hell. Mate, that's just instant smiles, like, so sick. And we're in a M4, man, so the handling is just something else. Yeah, you're sick.
So once I've got it right, I'm going to use it for a little bit this year,
Yeah,
and then through the winter we're gonna find another engine and build it,
yeah.
and
Yeah,
then
that'd
just
be
get it in
sick.
there. Yeah,
That'd be sick.
be crazy. Look at doing a few more track days and stuff, Santa
Yeah.
Pod and stuff.
So what are you going to do? Go smaller wheel maybe, get a taller tyre?
Yeah, I'm going to go, smaller wheel, drag radials on it.
What's the fastest these do? I think in America there's one doing a 9 second, isn't there?
Yeah, the arcade tunes.
Arcade tunes, that's it, yeah.
1200 horsepower now. 1200 wheel horsepower.
Wow. I think they do get into the low 10s, don't they, here?
Yeah.
The turbo's good for 900 horsepower, obviously that's why it's a 900, yeah?
Yeah, 900 horsepower, yeah.
The turbo's lovely. Obviously it's all about the tuning, isn't it, more than anything? But yeah, very responsive, man, from what, about 3.5?
Yeah, 360 comes in,
Yeah.
and it just doesn't drop off. It's right the way up to the rev limit, and any gear,
Yeah,
it's strong all the way up.
yeah. And you've not had any niggles?
Nothing at all.
It's all been good, yeah?
Nothing at all. No, nothing at all.
Nah, that is nuts. Alright, well guys, I think I am going to end the video there. A bit of a rusty one. Tony, do you want to plug any Instagram or any companies or?
Leadfoot Racing,
Yeah.
who done the build.
Yeah.
Also Bruce Morris, Cool and Miss UK, and Dave at DW Performance. I got the crank hub from him, and again, he's been helping me with advice and stuff.
So yeah, guys, I'm going to end it there. As always, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll leave all your links in the description for anyone who wants to follow you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.